Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Monday, 7th December 2020. It's your maths period. Today our topic is capacity. It's page number 127. Students, now open page number 127, write classwork and short it, that is 7th December 2020. Our topic is capacity. First of all, you must know what is capacity, the maximum amount that something can contain or the ability to hold or contain things. Because 1 milliliter is much smaller than 1 liter, we use milliliter to measure small amounts of liquids. Students, the units of capacity are liters and milliliters. In our daily life, we measure things in liters and milliliters. Milkmen use this mug to measure milk. Containers like this may be used for kerosene or petrol. Look for this bottle in the shops. Students, always remember that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter and 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. It means milliliter is much smaller unit of capacity. Look at all these containers, they all holds 1 liter, and the bottle of ink, its capacity is less than 1 liter. So it means we use liter to measure big amounts of liquids and we use milliliter to measure small amounts of liquids. Now we will solve question page number 127. Question number 1 is, would you use liter or milliliter to measure these quantities? The ink in your pen, we measure in milliliter. The cough syrup, we also measure it in milliliter. The water in a fish tank, it's liter. A small pack of mango drink, it's in milliliter. The milk collected by a milkman is in liter. A spoonful of medicine, it's milliliter. Milk in a cup in milliliter. A large bottle of cooking oil is in liter. Petrol for a scooter is in liter and a small bottle of shampoo is in milliliter. Students, now we will find out how many milliliter in 3 liter. As in 1 liter there is 1000 milliliter. So we multiply 3 liter with 1000, it becomes 3000 milliliter. And how many milliliter in 6 liter? 1000 multiplied by 6 liter is equal to 6000 milliliter. And how many milliliter in 4 liter? It becomes 1000 multiplied by 4 liter is equal to 4000 milliliter. Students, you will solve these three parts on your notebooks. Students, you will solve page number 127 on book and these three parts on your notebook. You will maintain your pages margin line on both sides of the page. After that, write homework. Monday, 7th December 2020. Topic is capacity, liter and milliliter. Exercise, solve these. Number 1 is, how many milliliter in 3 liter? As in 1 liter there is 1000 milliliter, so we multiply 1000 and 3 liter, it becomes 3000 milliliter. How many milliliter in 6 liter? 1000 multiplied by 6 liter is equal to 6000 milliliter. How many milliliter in 4 liter? 1000 multiplied by 4 liter is equal to 4000 milliliter. It's your homework. Do in a very neat handwriting and send me your work. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.